Hello students, let us start today our exercise 29 of the decimal chapter. So in the first question we are given to add two decimal numbers are given and we have to add them. So when you are adding two decimal numbers, remember that the addition process will be same only. It will be same, but we'll have to pay attention in placing the decimal point. So let us see how to place the decimal point. So the question is 12.67 comma 4.34. Okay, so here we'll write in the sequence, we'll write 12.67 and then we'll write 4.34. What you have to pay attention is that while writing these numbers, you have to pay attention that your points should be in one line. That means your points should be in one line. Okay, and after that we can start adding as used to add whole numbers. You add 7 plus 4 will give you 11, then carry 1. This 1 plus 6 will give you 7, 7 plus 3 will give you 10. For 10 we'll put only 0 and 1 we will carry. So 1 plus 2 will give you 3 and 3 plus 4 will give you 7. Now this one will come directly here. After writing 17, then you have to put a point here because this point directly will take the place here. Okay, so write 17.01. Now let us see another question. So another question is 5.357, then 11.303 and then 27.152. Write them in vertical order. Then after that you add them. 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, carry 1, 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 5 11, 1 will write here and 1 we will carry. 1 plus 3 will give you 4, 4 plus 3 will give you 7 and 7 plus 1 will give you 8. So 8 we have written. Now write the point directly here. Write the point directly here. Then 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 7 will give you 13. For 13 we will write 3 and 1 we will carry above 1. 1 plus 1 will give you 2, 2 plus 2 will give you 4. Okay, so your answer will be 43.812. See, after the decimal point we can't read them as 812. Okay, you don't say 812, you have to say 812. So 43.812. okay, this is how it is read after the decimal point. Question number 5 is also similar. Since you know the addition of the what is called whole number, so you will able to add this one also. I have done here for you. You can see, you can match your answers with this one. Now let us move on to the next question. Question number 7. In the question number 7 we are given 175.800, then 200.030, then 412.358. okay, then we have 18.900. now you notice here in the question after the decimal point it is given 8. okay, but I have written here 800. Again you notice here that after 18 we have only 9 here, but I have written here 00. Why I have done this one? Even in the case of this 200, if you check, there is only 0.03, but I have given one more extra 0. This is to make, you can say, like decimals. You can say to make like decimals, we put zeros. Okay, we put zeros. It also help us in doing subtraction or addition perfectly. Okay, so now we have given zeros here. Then you add 0 plus 0 and 0 plus 8 and again 0, then it will be, answer will be 8. Now 5 plus 3 will be 8, we have written here. Now if you add 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3 will be your 11, 11 plus 9 will give you 20. For 20 will write 0 and 2 will be carried. 5 plus 2 will be 7, 7 plus 2 will be 9, 9 plus 8 will be 17. For 17 will write 7 and 1 will carry here. 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 1 10. Again for 10 will write 0 and 1 will be carried. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4 4 plus 4, 8. So your final answer will be 807.088. Okay, so let us see question number 9. In the question number 9 we are given a tailor needs 52.18 centimeter of white lace for Richa's skirt and 75.85 centimeter of the same lace for the top. How much lace does he need in all? Since it is asking the total lace needed, so we will add. Okay, we'll write lace required for Richa's skirt 52.18 centimeter and lace required for Richa's skirt, okay, Richa's top will be 75.85 centimeter. Now you add it. If you add it, you will get 128.03. Let's go to question number 11. In the question number 11 we have to find out, subtraction sign is given there, so you arrange according to the sign given. So you write 6.253 and 1.678. now start subtracting as you used to do in the whole number. Okay, so 3 is smaller than 8, so what we will do, since 3 is smaller than 8, we'll carry 1 from here and we'll make 13. 13 minus 8 will give you 5, and here we are left with 4. Now 7 cannot be subtracted out of 4, therefore we'll carry 1 from 2 and we'll make this one as 14. We'll make this one as 14. If you make 14 minus 7 will give you 7. Now here we are left with 1. From 1 you cannot subtract 6, therefore we'll carry 1 again from this 6. It will become 11. 11 minus 6 will give you 5. Now here we have 5, so 5 minus 1 will give you 4. So final answer will be 4.575. Okay, so in the same manner we can do question number 13. Let us see question number 13. 160 minus 39.284. Now see, this is a whole number without any decimal point, and this is a decimal number. Okay, now you have to subtract a decimal number from a whole number. How to do this one? Simply you write 160, then give 1 point and count how many digits are there after decimal point in the second number. So there are 3 digits total. So for these 3 digits you take 3 zeros. Okay, 3 zeros you take and then start subtracting. See, from 0 you cannot subtract 4, therefore we'll carry 1. We'll carry 1 from here. Okay, then it will become 10. From this 10 again we will carry 1 here, then this will become 10 and this will become 9. Okay, 9 and this will become 10. Again from this one also will take 1. This will become the final number. The last number will become 10 and rest of the numbers just before it will become 9. So 10 minus 4 will give you 6 and 9 minus 8 will give you 1. Again 9 minus 2 will give you 7. Okay, here we are left with how much? 9 only, because we carried 1 from 6 and we made it 10. Then again we carried that 1 and we moved to here. So we are 9. We are left with 9. 9 minus 9 will give you 0 and 5 minus 3 will give you 2 and 1 will come down here. So your final answer will be 120.716. Okay, this is your final answer. So let us see. Let us see our next question. Next exercise, this same exercise, question number 15 we will see. In the question number 15, we are given Sharon buys 2 bottles of perfumes. One contains 52.5 ml and the other contains 156.54 ml. How much more perfume is in the larger of the 2 bottles? So you have to find out how much more perfume is there in the larger bottle. Okay, for this one what will you do? Simply write quantity of perfume in a smaller bottle 52.5 ml and quantity of perfume in larger bottle 156.54 ml. Okay, so after writing this one, you just try to subtract now. Since you want to find the larger bottle quantity of perfume. So you write 156.54 ml minus 52.50 ml. After subtracting, you will get 104.04 ml of more perfume in the larger bottle. Let us see question number 17. Question number 17 is a simplify question. So here we have, you can see we have plus sign and we have minus sign together. So let us try to do such kind of questions having two symbols together. Okay, so let us do. What we'll do, we'll finish first additions. As you remember, the BODMAS formula always tells us to add first. So let us add first. Take all the numbers with the plus signs. This we'll add them. After addition, you will get 663.297. okay, you write that 663.297 here and put a minus sign, then write 3.468. now in the rough side you subtract them. After subtracting, you will find 659.829. okay, this will be your answer. This is how you have to do. First do addition, then you subtract at the last. So this is exercise 29 that we have done. Let us see another exercise, exercise 30. In the exercise 30, we have to multiply two decimals. Let us see how to multiply two decimals. So a question is 4.67 by 3. okay, so what you do, try to understand the concept, and after that you will able to do many questions yourself. So we'll write as we used to write in the whole number system. Write 4.67, then put a multiply sign and then write 3. Now multiply 3 7 ja 21. For 21 we'll write 1 here and 2 will be carried above 6. Now 3 6 ja 18. 18 plus 2 will give you 20. For 20 you write 0 here, then 2 carried above. Now 3 4 ja 12. 12 plus 2 14. okay, that 14 will write here. So now as we did in the subtraction and in the addition, we will not write point directly below the point. okay, here we will have to count how many digits are there after the point. okay, after the point there are 1 and 2 digits. Therefore in the answer, what will you do, you count from the back 1 2 and then put your point. okay, this is how it is done in the multiplication case. Now let us see another question. okay, they are all same only, but just you can check another question here. Let us take question number 7. In the question number 7, we are given 615.3. now multiply it by 78. So let us multiply. If you multiply 8 into 3, 8 3 ja how much, 24. For 24 you will write 4 here and 2 will be carried up. 2 will be carried up. Now 8 5 ja 40. 40 plus 2 will give you 40 plus 2 will give you 42. For 42 we'll write only 2 here and 4 will be carried above 1. Now 8 1 ja 8. 8 plus 4 again 12. For 12 we'll write 2 here and 1 will be carried above 6. 8 6 ja 48. 48 plus 1 will give you 49. okay, so now let us see next number, that is 7. 7 3 ja 21. For 21 I am writing here 1 and 2 I am carrying above 5. 7 5 ja 35. 35 plus 2 will give you 37. For 37 I'll write 3 here and 3 I'll carry up. Now 7 1 ja 7 plus 3 10. For 10 I will write 0 here and 1 will be carried above 6. Now 6 7 ja 42. 42 plus 1 43. Since you got 43, now after writing this one, what you do, see, start adding. 4 plus x means actually 4 only. Then 2 plus 1 3. 2 plus 7 9. 9 plus 0 9. 4 plus 3 7 and then 4. Now we have to think where to place the point. As I told you in the previous question, always see how many digits are there after the point. There is only one digit after the point. Therefore from the back we'll put the point before one digit only. okay, let us see question number 9. In the question number 11, question number 11 says if 1 liter of petrol costs rupees 45.34, find the cost of 25 liters. To find the cost of 25 liters. So cost of 1 liter petrol is rupees 45.34. Therefore the cost of 25 liter petrol will be 45.34 multiplied by 25. If you'll multiply, I have done here multiplication also for you. If you'll multiply, you'll get 1133.50 rupees you have to pay for 25 liters of petrol when the rate is 45.34. Okay, so let us see exercise 31. In the exercise 31, you have to multiply a decimal number with a decimal number. Okay, a decimal number with a decimal number. So it is also not much difficult, it is also easy. So we have 1.13 multiplied with 0.7. You multiply as we multiplied in the case of whole numbers. 7 3 are 21, right here 1, 2 carried above, 7 1 are 7, then 8 9, we have 9 here, 7 1 are 7. Okay, now we have 0. So we do need to multiply with 0. Then also I have shown you how to do it. You can see, if you multiply 0 3s are 0, then 0 1s are 0, and 0 1s are 0. Okay, now you add 1 plus x will give you 1, 9 plus 9 will give 9 plus 0 will give you 9, and 7 plus 0 will give you 7. Then 0 will come down as it is. Now as we did before in placing of decimal, same way you do. Count how many digits are there after the decimal point. You see 1, 2 and 3 digits are there after the decimal point. So from the back you start. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So I have placed before 3 digits. Now let us see another question. Here also we have another question. So these questions can be done in different way also, but I have done in one way only, in the natural way that we used to do, in the same way I have done. So you see here, 3 2 just 6, 3 9 are 27, 3 9 are 27 we are getting. So for 27 I have written 7, then 2 is carried above. Then 3 1 are 3 plus 2, 5 you are getting here. Okay, 5 7 6. Then write a cross, give a cross here. Just count the numbers. 1, we have 1 2 3. Since we have 3 number digits above, so we will write here 3 zeros, because we have to multiply with zeros, 3 zeros. So we will write we have to multiply with zeros. You will write 3 zeros. 1 2 3. Same thing you do here in the below also. Here also you do the same thing. Write double x, then 3 zeros. Again triple x, then 3 zeros. After this, what you do, count how many digits are there after the decimal point. 1 2 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4 and put the decimal point. This is easy. In the same manner you will able to try to do another questions I have given you here. You can try them yourself. Okay, you can copy them and you can try at home how it is done. I have shown you the method. Now let us see. We have, okay, this is little bit you can just turn around your screen, mobile screen, and you can try to write them. Okay, exercise 31. So decimal division I will show you in the another video. So that's all for this video.